In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a passkey on LinkedIn. A passkey lets you sign in using a secure method that's tied to your device like a fingerprint, face recognition, or your computer's screen lock. It's quick, phishing resistant, and a great way to add protection to your professional profile. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage. At the top of the page, click your profile icon to open the menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. This takes you into your account controls. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Sign In and Security and select it. This area houses the tools you'll use to manage how you access your account and keep it protected. Scroll until you see Passkeys and click it. Passkeys add an extra layer of security while making sign-in simpler, and LinkedIn will guide you with clear on-screen prompts. Before you continue, make sure you can receive a verification code using your preferred method, because LinkedIn may ask you to confirm it's really you before any security change. Having your phone or email access handy will help you move through this step without interruption. After verification, you'll be prompted to create your passkey. Follow the prompts to link it to your current device. Depending on what you're using, you might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, Windows Hello, your phone's screen lock, or a physical security key you already use. Keep your browser up to date and complete the process on a device you trust for the smoothest experience. If you're asked whether to save the passkey to a cloud keychain or password manager, choose the option that fits how you want to use it across your devices. Selecting a synced option can make signing in on your other devices easier, while keeping it local ties the passkey to just this device. When the process finishes, your passkey is ready. The next time you sign in, you can choose to use the passkey for a fast, secure login without typing a code. Remember to keep your passkey private by locking your devices and not sharing access. If you think someone else could use your device, or if you lose access to it, go back to Settings and Privacy, open Sign In and Security, return to Passkeys, remove the old passkey, and create a new one right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a passkey to your LinkedIn account, giving you stronger security and a smoother sign-in experience. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.